Hello, good afternoon, students. We are studying relation. In the topic relation function, we have already studied relation, and you have seen that what is relation and what is relation and what is equivalence relation. For this you have seen the relation is reflexive, symmetry and transitive. With one or two example, today we shall see the another part, function. What is function? Function is a special type of relation. See how a relation F from a set A to set B is said to be function a relation F from set A to set B is said to be function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. In other words, you can see that domain of F is A and codomain or range of F is B. So domain, first of all see what is domain and range. What is domain and range? I have come the word from here. A is called domain of F. I have already said कि set A is domain of F. So what is domain? First of all, let F from A to B is a function or also called mapping from A to B. Mapping from A to B. So the domain and codomain are of this F are A and B respectively. Domain of F is A and codomain is B. Let us see this thing. Let us understand this thing by an example. This is example first. Let fx, any function of x is x, for all x belongs to n, that is set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. So when x is equal to 1, then this is 1. F is equal to 2, sorry, x is equal to 2, then fx is also 2. Similarly, f3 will be 3, f4 will be 4. Now construct two sets, set A and set B. This value contain value of x and this contains value of fx. These are the elements of set A, means 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and this contains value of fx, means f1 which is 1, f2 is 2, f3 is 3, f4 is 4. Means the value of this x goes to 1, value of 2 goes to 2, value of 3 goes to 3. So this is called a function, or f from A to B is a function or mapping. Now consider another example. Let fx is equals to x square for all x belongs to I. I means set of integers. Set of integers. So integers, you know, integers may be negative. So when x is equal to minus 2, then f minus 2 will be square of minus 2, which is 4. F minus 1, that is square of minus 1, which is 1. f1, that is 1 square, which is 1. And similarly f2 is equal to 2 square, which is 4. If put minus 2 in this one, minus 1 here, then we get. Just like previous example, you again consider two sets, set A and set B. Set A contains the element of x, value of x, and set B contains the value of fx. So we have seen that it is minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2. We may consider some more elements. Write down its value. 1, 4, minus 2 goes to 4, plus 2 goes to 4, minus 1 corresponds to 1, similarly 1 corresponds to 1. So this is again a mapping. F from A to B is a map or mapping as related by fx is equal to x square, and this is the mapping as related by fx is equal to x. Now see one more example. Let A and B are two sets of integers and if A to B is a map as related by the same example, fx is equal to x square. So here see, you have already given A and B are two sets. So construct two sets. Set of integers. So let it is -2, -1, 1, 2 and so on. So these integers also contain here -2, or you may write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now corresponds and construct a map under this relation. This is dotted line. -2, if -2 will be -2 square and -2 square is 4. So -2 goes to 4, -1 corresponds to 1, 1 corresponds to 1, 2 corresponds to 4. So you have seen 3 examples. It means there are different types of mapping. Here in the very first example, we conclude that for each element of A, which is called domain, for each element of A there corresponds to only one image in set B. These elements are called image, and each element of B is also the image. Similarly, in second example, more than one element of domain have one image, and each element is also image, each element of B, each element of codomain. Here in third example, more than one element of domain, that is A, have one image in B, that is one value of fx. More than one element of domain have one element image. And here we see one more thing, that like 2, 3, 5 etc. are not the image of any element of A. So the first case, each element have only one image, so the mapping is called 1-1 map, 1-to-1 map. And also each element of B is image, so overall it is called 1-1 and onto map. And set A is domain, set B is called codomain. Similarly, in second example, more than one element of domain has one element, so instead of 1-1 we call it many one, more than one, many to one. And also each element of B, that is codomain, is image, so this is called many one onto map. See the third example. Of course the map is many to one, more than one means many to one, so this is example for many one. And come on to codomain. At least one image, or you can say at least one element of set B is not the image of elements of A. In that case, this is called into map. I just revise it. If each element of codomain is image, then it is called onto, and at least one element be not the image, then it is called into map. And in that case, this is called range. So what is difference between codomain and range? Codomain and range. In codomain is also a set whose each element is image of domain. But in range, at least one element be not the image. Now see what is difference. So first I am going to write down all type of map. We have seen there are 4 types of map. 1 onto map. Second is 1 into map. Third is many one onto map. You have already seen with examples. And the fourth is many one into map. These all except the second one, you have seen the example earlier. Now see how we differ relation and function. Consider a relation. Now consider a relation R is equals to 3 2 6 7 5 3 1 1 3 7. You must know more than one element have one image, but one element have not more than one image. Now the question is this relation a function? Is this relation a function? This is our question. Consider a relation R. Consider a relation R 3 2 6 7 5 3 1 1 3 7. Now the question is this relation a function? So first of all, construct domain and codomain on this basis. The first element of this is called domain, and the second one in ordered pair, each ordered pair, the second member is called codomain or range, and of course they are set. So first write the elements of domain, that is 3, 6, 5, 1, 3. Since it is a set and a set has no repeated element, so 3 is already here, so you left it. Now write 2, 7, 5, 2, 7, 3, 1 and again 7. Now this is 2, I have written the value of 3 corresponds to 2, value of 6 corresponds to 7, value of 5 corresponds to 3, and value of 1 corresponds to 1. Also value of 3 corresponds to 7. So in this example or in this question, you have seen that the value of 3 has 2 image, 2 and 7. So such type of image is not possible because more than 2 elements of domain have same image, but one element of domain had never be 2 image. So F, consider F, set A, it is set B. So if A to B is not a function, so this is difference between relation and function. Now again the same question. Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3. B is equals to 4, 5, and F is equals to 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 3, 5. Just change 3, 5. Again our question is F a function from A to B? This is our question. Is F a function from A to B? Again you can see that first element, that is 1, have 2 images, 1 to 4 and 1 to 5. So you can write as the first element of 2 ordered pairs, since the first element of 2 ordered pairs 1, 4 and 1, 5 in F are same. So f from A to B is not a function, is not a function. So this is an example. So children, today you have seen that what is a function and how it is differentiate with relation, and also you have seen different types of function, many one onto function, one into function, many one onto function, many one into function. So in next class we will solve some questions, and today after the class I will send you some problems from relation, and you must try to solve it and submit it by today. Till then, thank you very much.